So yeah, I was gonna get all the setup all cute and stuff and talk about this, but no, we just gonna talk about this. Bath and Body Works tried it. They tried it, y'all. Oh, I normally don't get no mailers, but guess who got a mailer today? Oh, cause it's in my annual sale. You want somebody to spend money, so you send me a little mailer. You know what mailer they sent me? 10 off 40. You do 10 off 30 all the time. And then semi-annual sale comes and you're doing 10 off 40? Or what, I'm supposed to be hop, skip, jump, and happy? Do I need to do a dance? 10 off 40. And peep this, y'all. They got the coupon. Oh, sorry. This is Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance. How are you today? Okay, anyway. But anyway, so they got the coupon out there right now where you spend $10, you get a free item. And it's good for 3 days. It's good for 3 days after the expiration. Expiration is the 24th. Christmas the 25th. And the sale starts on the 26th. It's in my annual sale. So, why would I spend a 10 off 30 when I can spend $10 and then get a regular price item that costs $16.50 for free? And I got 4 of those coupons. What I look like getting 10 off 40? Oh, so I'm supposed to be stupid. Y'all, when I tell you Bath and Body Works trying me. Y'all, they trying me. Like, who in their right mind gonna do a 10 off 40 when they sitting there with 10, spend 10, get a free item up to $16.50? That means I can go get 3 things that's on sale on the 75% off table, then get a regular price item that I wanted to try out, because I really do want to try out the Twisted Peppermint Funfetti Body Scrub. I want to try that out. Like, it looks good. So I want to try that out. So I get to try that out for free, because I think it's $16.50. What I look like doing 10 off 40. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. But Bath and Body Works, you funny, though. You real funny. Like, I can't get a coupon to save my life anymore. I can't get a coupon to save my life. Oh, you get 15 off 40. What was it? 15 off 45 or something, or 15 off 40 or something. I ain't never get that coupon. All these coupons going around, I never get. Oh, but it's in my annual sale time come. Oh, I'll give you 10 off 40. Here you go. Do I look like Boo Boo the Fool? I might have been born at night, but it wasn't last night, okay? I ain't no fool, okay? See, they gonna push me, you know. I've been listening to Tupac a lot lately, and I'm just like, I ain't a killer, but don't push me, all right? And Bath and Body Works is starting to push me. They starting to push me, y'all. They starting to push me because they trying to play me like I ain't got sense, like I ain't been doing this for a long time, and I have been. And I really wanted to use my 10 off 40 starting. I had 10 off 40. Oh God, no, we're not gonna talk about that. I don't even think I'm gonna use the 10 off 40 because I'm not even gonna. I have 4 spend 10 get a free item coupons. I'd rather spend my 40 that way and get 4 not name brand, but full price items that I really wanted to try, and just spend that little extra than to, you know, do it that way. Because $16.50, I mean, that's what, $16.50, that's 32, that's 64, plus add the 50 cents in, so that's $65. I get $65 worth of stuff. What the heck I look like just getting 10 off when I could get $65 worth of full price items? You playing with me. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all about that. With the holidays coming up, I really don't want to do that many videos for this channel. I want to go on a little bit of a break, give you guys a break, because I know you need a break, and I need a break too. Shoot, I need to enjoy the holidays too. So Christmas Eve is Monday. I don't know if you guys want a video on Monday. If you want a video Monday, let me know. I can make something. I have my empties already done. Like, I can make an empties video. So a video will be out tomorrow. I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm gonna record it tomorrow. Then we have an Indies video that had to be recorded. I need to talk about the number 7 line. I'm actually on day 2 of the number 7 line. And I'm trying to think what else. I am going to do the first day of the SAS. You're going to see a haul. I'm just letting you know right now. And you might see a second haul. That might come at the end of the SAS, because I don't want to just bombard you with SAS. I did so many SAS hauls in June, and don't worry, in June it always will be like that. You'll see probably like 2 a week or something like that, but the winter one is just not my cup of tea, so you won't see a lot of those. So you probably see 2. The first day of it, and then one towards the end is what I'm going to try to do. And I might do a little walk with me, like come and see what they have at the SAS, because I'm going to be the first one at the door, okay? I'm going to drop the kids off at school 7 something in the morning. When the doors open on the 26th, I'm being there like, hello, what y'all got? You know what I mean? So, excuse me. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to be up in there. So that would be my last video, I think, of the year, the SAS video. Well, no, the number 7 video will be the last video of the year. So if you want a video Monday, let me know. There'll be no video Tuesday. I mean, that's Christmas. I don't like when people put videos up on Christmas. I mean, some people don't celebrate Christmas, so I definitely understand it. But I don't want to obligate you guys, oh, come watch me on Christmas. No, spend time with your family. Watch your family. Have fun with your family. It's your family time. And go to church and do everything you got to do. Don't be watching me on Christmas. So no videos on Christmas. I'm dabbling with Christmas Eve because, I don't know, people are prepping for Christmas. Do I really want to put out a video? I don't know. If you guys want to see one, let me know in the comments below. I'll probably make it like a Dollar Tree haul. That way it's something fun, easy to watch, go on with the rest of your cooking and everything you're doing. So yeah, that's what I'll probably do. If you want a video Monday, it'll be a Dollar Tree haul. Tuesday, nothing for the holiday. Wednesday is going to be a SAS. And then Thursday will be the number 7 review. And then there'll be nothing else on the channel until January 2nd. And that video, because January 1st people are recovering from New Year's Eve, so they're gonna have a hangover probably. So the 2nd will be my first video, and it'll be my resolutions video, and then we'll just hop into the new year and get it going. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here, I guess tell you the schedule for the rest of the year for the channel, and to tell you that Bath and Body Works trying me, okay? Because when I seen that, I said, oh, let me tell my subscribers, because oh, they funny, they acting real brand new, like, you don't know me? Like, and it wasn't even my mama's coupon. It was my coupon. It was my coupon. Because, you know, sometimes I steal my mama coupons. No, it was my coupon. My mailbox. My name. 10 off 40. Y'all know y'all can do a 10 off. Well, I don't see what the big... Can y'all let me know? What's the big deal with them not doing a 10 off 30? I mean... You do it any other time. You'll do a 10 off 30. What is the problem? What is the problem? Why aren't we keeping up with the 10 off 30s? Why are we switching it to 10 off 40? I know you want that little extra change, because then once you add the tax in, like you spend the 40, and you have to spend 40 before tax, then they add tax in, so by the time you get done, you're at $33, $34. That add up quick. And I'm thinking, like, what do I even really need? But I know they said they're gonna have a lot of the retired scents back, and I'm hearing a lot of old candles are coming back. So that's the only thing I'm looking forward to seeing, like, ooh, some old candles are coming back. Which old candle can I pick up? So I'm really hoping that they do have the old school candles coming back, because that will probably be what I'll go towards. Like body care, I don't need any body care. So I'm going to be looking at the candles, even though I just went ham on candle day. I'm going to be looking at the candles like, what do you guys have over here? You know, so hopefully they'll do a deal on the candles, where the candles will, because it's $15.50. I don't think it's a good deal at all on the candles. They were just doing $12.95. Why are you doing $15.50? But hopefully during SAS though, will be $12.95, and then they bring back some old schools. So I can buy a candle and then get one body care item from the full price line that I really wanted to try. So then that will make my coupon go the farthest. So if you have those coupons, definitely use them. And those coupons, when you do get coupons for like the spend 10, get a free item, when you have the full on coupon, you can use it 3 days before a sale and 3 days after the sale. So a subscriber told me that when I did my tips on the SAS video. If you haven't checked that out, definitely check it out. But I'm excited about the SAS. I really want to just see the candles. I am so excited about these candles. I want to know what's tea. Like, what's tea? What candles is going to be there? Because I want some. The body care, not so much. If Amber and Argon, yes. If they bring back some old schools that I used to love, then I'll get a few of those, especially like Malibu Heat. If Malibu Heat came back, I think I would get the body scrubbing in again. So I'm about to get off here. Say hey, Justin.
Hi.
Hi. Justin just got his haircut today, and he over here gaming. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm done with my.
Watching YouTube.
Oh, you're watching YouTube? I'm recording YouTube. So I'm gonna get off here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little rant about Bath & Body Works and my deals and all this. If you like these kind of videos where I just pop in on my couch and say what it do, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.